If you're somebody who has tinnitus, sound sensitivity, you're hearing things that aren't there, or you're not hearing correctly, or you're starting to lose your hearing, I definitely want you to watch this video because I'm going to explain what I think causes a lot of these symptoms. And I can say that because I've been treating people with these symptoms for 33 years. The cause can be corrected by getting rid of ligamentous temporomandibular joint instability or ligamentous cervical instability, and then correcting the cervical curve. And if people do that, it's incredible